Looking to fast-track your financial goals and earn extra cash? Online surveys are the solution. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. Consider reputation, survey availability, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, seizing free offers, and prioritizing high payout rate surveys. Ensure a smooth survey-taking experience by following best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be cautious of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your input and pay individuals to participate in surveys for market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.